Oh no, we met again. Welcome to my channel. Today we are not reviewing the latest Chinese EV or bikes. We got a special car. This is my own car. I just bought this 2013 Volvo S60 T5 with a 6-speed i-Sync gearbox for just $2,500 US. It's quite a bargain, but you can see here the paint is not good at all. So what we are going to do today is clean this thing thoroughly and do a little bit of polish to this car. And here, hope you can see, I just bought a polisher. Don't need to. I just used this for first time, so I want to show you how this is like with the first time use of this polish machine. All my experience is from the internet. So you can see here. So we got 2 battery. Hope we can finish this job. And we got some pads for polish. And you can see here, I got some medium cut and another bottle for the glass. This one is just a little bit. It's for a light cut. So let's grab a cup of coffee and we begin washing this car first. I don't know whether you guys can see in my camera, because today is not the sunlight here is not that easy to spot these scratches, like the sun scratches, but you can hear this paint loss is the shine it should be. So let's try a little bit of polish. Okay guys, this is what we got here. Some polish compound, a bit of tar, and a polish machine. Let's separate this hood for 2 parts. I want to polish this part at first. So let's shake this compound first. I watched the video. It need to be thoroughly shaken. Okay, I think it's pretty enough, and we do about 6 passes. I don't know whether you can see that. I really want you to see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I think that is pretty enough. There's a little bit of wind today. Okay, let's just begin. Use the okay, and the first problem, I think I might a little bit too much area, so I want to bring it a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we just spread it to another half. I want it to be thoroughly cleaned. Okay. Okay. And we want to do it for 4 times. It's 3rd times. I want to keep the turning cycle, the half of what I have done just now. And a medium pressure on it. Hope we did a okay job. So you can see here is quite a lot of things being. And we take our towel and clean this thing. Okay, from my side, we can see this thing is a little bit dark than the other part now. So I want to do it once more, because I think I bring too little pressure to this kind of pen. And the other thing I need to do is clean up the pads. I don't get that thing, but I think I can use this one. This would, yes, it's really working. It's really working. You can see how quite a lot of dust being moved, and this thing is much more cleaned. Okay, guys, I'm the first time doing this job, and I'm sure I will make quite a lot of mistakes. So please point out my mistake in the comment, so I can do it better the next time. Let's see the One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's not good, but this is what I can. Okay, let's open the Okay, I think it's not bad. Ah, 谢谢. Okay guys, we have polished this part of the hood for about 3 or 4th time. Because I'm a beginner, I don't want to use too many reps, too many speed to damage the paint, so I did multiple times. But I don't know whether you can see here and the other part. This is a much more shine than this part. It's really obvious. You can see here from the sun, it's like sandpaper. Oh, this really smooth. Okay guys, I have just finished the polishing of this really rather good Volvo S60. You can see from the camera, this thing is getting much better, much shiny than just now. It's really clear. And because this is the first time I have polished the whole car, and I'd like to know what's your comment, what I can do better in the polishing. You can feel that this is really smooth compared with earlier in the afternoon. It's like sandpaper. And if we check these two paths, you can see here it's really dirty, and the final one for finishing. And this machine with just a 2 battery, they just done the job barely. And at the beginning I was really cautious, really careful, so the progress is really slow, to be honest. And I want to say this part, this black paint of the door, is really obvious. Before I polish, there's a lot of scratches and almost go gray. But here you can see it's really black, dark. It's good. So thanks you guys for watching the beginner polish his car, and like to see you in next video.